Hello everyone, and this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit. To buy it, it's really easy. You have to log in into your account. Once you log in, you have to just go and click on buy crypto. Then go and click on one click pay here, one click buy. Right, and once you're here, you will get this option. Right, by the way, you can change if you want to go for P2P or fiat deposit, whatever you want. Now here I am using my euro, right? So I will just write here the amount and I want to buy a BTC. So I can just go and change. If you don't get this option, you can choose here. You can also search for it and it will show me the exact how much BTC I can buy here right now. Then I can choose my payment method. I can pay with my card, Google Pay and Apple Pay. Now here, once I choose my Apple Pay, I will just go with buy with euro. Right, and here you have to verify as an individual or a business, so make sure you verify your account, then only you will allow to buy it. If you don't verify your account, then it's not possible to buy. To verify, you will just have to provide them ID card and as well as a selfie. Now here, if you choose a card payment method, then you have to enter your card details and make sure go and click on continue and you will successfully able to buy it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.